All right, what's up, guys? Here we are finishing the day. Small red down $6, pretty much break even. However, I was up 60 bucks on the day after PRPL and SNTI, but ended up giving it back because I decided, I guess, to keep trading. And I took small losses, small losses, small losses, got myself back to break even. Maybe broke a little bit of rules because I was like, I'm only small green, so it's not that much. So, it's okay to break some rules. But yeah, I mean, kind of do regret it a little bit. I'd rather have $60 green day or $30 green day and not a $6 red day. But, at the end of the day, it's very small numbers. It's all irrelevant. So, yeah. Anyways, not much to cover here. ALLK pops up. I was eyeing this move, but missed it. It was light volume up to until then. Go for the 1 minute pullback. It doesn't hold up. And then I go back in at breaks to 613, get a 1 minute pullback, thinking maybe we could see some continuation. But the weak market, pulls this thing right back down. PRPL, got a couple scalps on this front side after the break of the VWAP, and then break through $4. 1 minute pullback, rip back over through $4. But then started giving back in here because, yeah, I just trying to catch a dip, maybe a rip back to the highs, but just that market just is not. It's not that strong. It's just not that strong. I thought we could see a higher low off VWAP maybe at lowest, and then a rip through the highs. But lots of resistance on a lot of these stocks. SNTI, I didn't do too bad on this one. I was up 50 bucks at the high, but gave back lots. So okay, there we go. Go for a red to green here, stop out then here at the low. Go for another red to green, stop out here. Finally goes without me, but I wasn't looking at it. Going with a 1 minute pullback, 32, adding through 34, 35, get a quick pop. Not much meat on the bone there. Break even here, or maybe 1 cent gain. We pull back to the VWAP here, get a nice entry here off the low. The lowest I was at 229.53. Beautiful entry here, selling at 235. This is probably the best move of the day. Then I get back in at 34 for the break through the high at 39. So very, very good stuff. And this is when I was up 60 bucks. And I decided to keep trading, and that's where I started to get back. Here, 1 cent loss here. Here's a 7 cent loss. Here's where I broke the rule. I was in 240. And then I averaged down to 236 and then sold at 233. So that's where I broke the rule. But yeah, anyways, moving on. Here we did have a nice big false breakout. I just thought about, entering at 244. I knew we were going to get a false breakout just because there's so much resistance. I probably would have had a chance to get a maybe 10, 15 cents on this, but it just wasn't worth the risk for me after giving back all the profits I had on the day. So I decided to stop trading. PRPL curling up now. Maybe we could see some opportunity, but I'm done trading. It's just not worth it. If this is not going to make a big move, it's just the market. So, I know the risk is higher than the reward here. So I'm done trading. And that was it. So small red day, and on the month we're lagging a little behind. We're a little bit further than halfway through the month, and I'm not quite at halfway mark to my monthly goal of 2,000. So that does raise some questions. I could still hit the 2,000 mark, so I'm not going to completely write that off. It's still possible. Might even be likely, but it really depends on the market. If the market's going to pick up. And I don't know how much longer this market's going to stay cold. It could stay cold for a couple more weeks, or it could be still cold for a couple months. And if it's going to be a couple months and I'm not hitting that mark, I have money saved for these cold periods. But it really depends if it's going to outlast my savings account. If my emergency savings doesn't hold up for the amount of time that this market's going to stay cold, then I might have to start thinking about getting another job for a little bit until the market heats back up, or until I start hitting my monthly goals. I'm still really early in this process of becoming a full-time trader. Even though I started full-time trading in May, I still feel like I'm trying to get a hang of these ropes of full-time trading because I'm still right at that cusp. And now that the market really got cold, it's proving to be kind of difficult to hit my monthly goal. So who knows how much longer this is going to be. It really could turn around next month and start to be hot for November, October, November, December, and I can completely clear 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 on the month, and that's where I'm looking for my growth to be relatively soon. I'm getting comfortable with my share size. It just depends on whether the opportunity is going to start showing itself for me to take bigger size, but right now it's just not calling for it. So, there's a lot of things to think about. However, it's not anything to get worked up yet. I still have a nice cushion financially to hold me over for cold months. So I wouldn't consider getting a job until I'm really, it really stays cold for maybe the rest of the year. If by November or December it's still cold, then I might have to start thinking about maybe getting back into the workforce for a little bit. Just to kind of hold me over until the market changes or I start hitting my numbers. So I'm sure by November and December we'll be seeing some more momentum, though. I really don't. I've never seen a market, at least since I've started trading, I haven't seen a market that's been cold for longer than maybe a few weeks. It seems to always change after a couple weeks, but yeah. Anyways, on the week, we're at $6. But I'm still doing all right. Just gotta be patient and wait. The last thing I want is to get into a drawdown. So right now it's just being smart. And here we are, PRPL pulling back here, back to the VWAP, not looking good. If it was strong, would have held $4 and continued to the high. Anyways, this is like my third try for making this recap video. Before, I was making my recap video like 10 minutes ago, 13 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, whatever. And my dog starts barking. And so I take him out to go pee. And she goes over and starts and picks up this giant turd. And I had to fish it out with my hands. And I get back. And my hand's smelling like crap. My hand's literally smelling like crap. And I go to the sink, I try to turn it on, and they shut off the water. So now I am sitting here with the shit hand, literally crap on my hand. And so the first thing I think about is like, all right, I have to go to the toilet. So I get the soap up my hands, and go to the toilet and start washing my hands in the toilet. That's the only option. That was the only option for me. So, same thing with the market. The only option for me here is just try to get small green, look at the bright side, try to get through it. I had to get through it by washing my hands in the toilet. Here, I might have to get through by taking small size and taking my small gains if I have it. But, beggars can't be choosers, So I have to kind of work with what I got. But, I did get my hands are now clean, so which is good. They don't smell like shit anymore. I do maybe have to check under my fingernails, but anyways, that's enough. Very, very short recap. Hopefully we get something better tomorrow because today pretty much felt like a waste of time. So see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys did all right today, better than me. And, hoping that you guys, hoping the best for you guys. All right, if you guys are still watching, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next recap video. Also, I'll leave my Discord down in the description. If you want to add me on Discord, I would love to have a little text chat, voice chat, video chat, whatever you want, and just to get to know the community a little better. So, see you guys tomorrow. All right, peace.